Morning, it's August the 25th, Wednesday, and I'm here in American Canyon, California at the Fairfield Inn over here, and I look over that way like y'all can see it. I guess I can put the camera over there. And I need to turn the music down. I don't even know if you can hear me. Alright, I am headed out through Napa Valley today. I'm not sure where I'm going to end up. I don't have anything specifically planned on where I'm stopping, so we'll just find out. It'll be in between here and Medford. Stopping to pick up Crystal. Yay, my daughter. She's going to ride the rest of the way back in to Fort Worth. Alright. We'll catch you later on the road. I'm here at the junction of California Highway 121 and California Highway 128. 128 goes into Rutherford. Just came out of Napa on California 121, and that is a wonderful scenic route. If you ever get a chance to hop on that road and take a ride, it is just gorgeous country out there. Had a wonderful time, a nice cruise through there, a lot of sweeping turns, and you're riding over the mountain there. Awesome. Hey, get a chance to do it. Do it. I'm here on California 128. I believe it's called Sage Canyon Road. I'm having to backtrack about probably total round trip of about 16-20 miles. I made a left when I should have made a right. But this road is just as scenic and wonderful as California 121, by the way. Time out here. Sometimes getting lost, even though the GPS, well, I can't blame this one on the GPS. I had the radio turned off, and I can't hear the GPS when I have the radio turned off. I was just enjoying the scenery out here. Anyway, I'm heading back, turn right. Now it's going to be left instead of right. Paying attention to the GPS. This is a wonderful ride out here. Had about 10 motorcycles pass me up. Couldn't catch the license plates on any of them to see where they were from. They were on crotch rockets and they were moving pretty fast. Anyway, I'm having a very good ride out here. Butchering that name, Marius. Anyway, this was the road that I was supposed to turn right on, and it runs along the Lake Marius. I'm sure this is a river that goes into the lake here. Anyway, it's a very pretty ride out here. Passing Capel Cove. Like where the water starts, it's kind of dried up early. I'm other side of the lake now, and the road out here has become very narrow and rough. Been patched like crazy. Very in need. It's greatly in need of road repair. New surface or something. Anyway, the sign back there said there was 10 miles of this. So I'm taking my time going over it. But the plus side of this is that the view is very scenic, and it's